Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook privacy to friends only. So I will show the step-by-step process of doing it. If you want to change Facebook privacy to friends, keep watching the video till the end, and it should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Facebook profile. From here you have to click on the three-line option at the top right corner. Then if you scroll down, then you will see the setting and privacy option. You have to click on it. Then you have to click the privacy shortcuts option. From here you will see this interface will come. From here you have to click on review a few important privacy settings. Then you will get these options. From here, if you want to check up the privacy of who can see what you share, you have to click on it. From here you have to click the continue button. Then this option will come. From here you will see what's the present settings. So here for few is showing the public, for few it's friends. So it depends on you. If you want to suppose show your birthday only friends, then from you have to click this option. Then you have to ensure that this is now it's friends of friends. So if you click on friends, then only your friend can see your birthday. Same way, presently your hometown is public, you have to click on here. Then if you click on the friends option, enable the friends option, then only your friend can see the hometown option. Same as others, if you want you can check in this way. Okay, after that, after changing all of your record things, you have to click on next. Then you have to click on, here is the feature post also there. If you want to change it public to friends, click here, then make it friends. Then go back, then click on next, then click on next. So in this way you can change Facebook privacy to friends only. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.